Hello guys, I made my own game in Blender engine, the UPBGE, and I made it. I made a build of it, so you don't need Blender to run it like this. I made this today. This is an older one. Right. I never changed the icon to my own custom, but this will do fine. Track race. .blend.c. Yeah, that's my game. It's not finished game, but it's something. I don't know why it's black here. This is supposed to be some intro made. It works inside Blender. I don't know why it doesn't work outside. This is however the main menu. Go info. See, this is my game, and this is pretty easy. Yeah. I also call myself Gullberg86, so it's my other alias. However, right now you can only pick 2 tracks. I had plans to make more tracks here, but we can start off with my first track I made, and try again. Oh, yeah, it has its glitches. I had plans to make some opponent to race against, but right now you just main goal is not fall off the track and made it through, and you have a lap counter down there. And some speedometer here. Doesn't really work, it's only for show. It's totally useless. I'm gonna erase that. Whoop. It isn't a perfect game by any means, but it's made in Blender with only Logi bricks, no Python code. It's glitchy as fuck, and I made it through 2 laps. Okay, try another map. Try this one. This one I spent some more time to make the UV mapping correct. Oh, I lost the engine, and I can still drive. Stop that shit. Whoa. I also made it destroyable, so let's see if we can crash this vehicle. Like this. Oh, nice, huh? And you can still drive. As long as you have wheels, you can still drive. I have 1 wheel, so I can still drive. But not so good. Let's see if I can make 1 lap. This map is pretty hard. And the control sucks too. And it's easy to flip over the car, and I think I am the world best player on this game, only because I made it and no one other had tried it except my brother, who's having no patience to even go through the first curve. He will just drive off the track in the first curve. You don't even bother to break or try, and he will us. And he is like, it's too hard, man. This one is very hard section. It's very... Whoop. You need to be careful. And I lost engine. Screw that. Still on driving. I haven't touched this game for a little while because I got tired of it. It's too many bugs. I can handle it. Lately I made Pablo VR custom maps in Unreal 4 engine, and also tried to learn some Unity, but right now I'm making Pablo maps. I'm probably gonna upload some YouTube about making Pablo maps, and maybe some Counter-Strike maps as well. I don't know. It's pretty fun to make. Less buggy as this is. I made one lap, so I think I'm great on this map. And let's spin. And fuck it. Oh, I killed off the. Okay, all right. This is how it's supposed to look inside the blender here. Try, start it, and voila. Nice shit. And press any button. Main menu. And it's like it's supposed to be. However, yeah. And as you can see, Logi bricks. This is for the intro. This is the main menu. Damn boy. Oh. It's pretty fast, gonna look real messy. Yeah, as you can see here. The game controller. If you want, guys, I can make a link so you can download this. But comment, subscribe, and like if you want to get hands of this unfinished game. You can learn of it, play it around, have fun, make some more maps on it, re-upload it and stuff, do whatever. But like, subscribe, stuff, and don't forget to check out my other videos about this topic. And then I don't know if I'm gonna make so much more Blender engine videos from now on, but I have another game to show you I made. Game, it's a prototype, unfinished prototype of a FPS game, and maybe make another game engine map, but I'm gonna try to try other things too and upload. And yeah, my channel is gonna be about game development, game making, and not only for Blender game engine. I'm gonna take up topics like the Unreal 4 engine, making Pablo maps or tips and tricks in that stuff. Maybe some Unity, I don't know. And other engines. I'm gonna try some engines, review them, upload. So you know, you have options to make games in. Yeah, that's about that. Subscribe and like. Cheers.